endogenous systems of our body, which are both hormonal and neural.
Water. On a table.
Bump on the front.
Quite a few people now have sleep anxiety. They're feeling overwhelmed by that, and so now they're stressed about sleep, which is making it harder to sleep. Now, I know many of you are already asking, well, I live in Scandinavia, or I can't get sunlight, there's buildings around me, etc. We will get to all of that. But it's critically important that you get outside. Now, there are a lot of things that correlate with the system, so it doesn't necessarily mean it controls it, but in this case, we know, based on lots of data, endocrinology, and so forth, that melatonin suppresses the onset of puberty. So supplementing melatonin could be problematic for that reason, but if you've already gone through puberty, it could also have some impact on other hormone systems in your body. So that's why I personally don't like to use melatonin to fall asleep. There's another reason, which is that melatonin will help you fall asleep, but it won't help you stay asleep. And many people who take melatonin find that they wake up 3 to 5 hours later unable to fall back asleep. Part of the reason for that might be that melatonin purchased, you can buy it over the counter in most areas of the world, even though it's a hormone, which is a little unusual. You can't just go into a pharmacy, at least in the US, and buy testosterone or cortisol or estrogen. You need a prescription, but you can go buy melatonin for whatever reason. I don't know the reasons for that legality. But it's been shown many times, and now I'm borrowing from some items that were in Matt Walker's book, Why We Sleep, where he stated that there's evidence that commercially available melatonin, the amount of melatonin has been tested for various brands, and it can range anywhere from being 15% of what's listed on the bottle. Okay, so if they list up, this is 100 milligrams, would be a tremendous amount of dose. 15 milligrams in that particular capsule, or up to 400 times more than what's listed on the bottle. So it's completely unregulated. And so for those of you taking melatonin, I will discuss at the end of the podcast some other potential alternatives that are probably safer and don't have the issues. So, should you take melatonin? My personal bias is no.